That's it.
A little too crazy there.
Yeah, how about do the other one before you do the 4 fingers in there?
He's done.
You can loosen those up again if you want. Good. All right. Guys, if you have a little excess left, what you want to do is you want to be able to tuck it in so that they're not hanging, but he's okay, he's not hanging.
It will be.
Can we leave them in there?
This is a little higher than I like, but you know what?
That's good. That's all real close.
Isn't it a little close here?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah. We'll go to your neck.
But it's supposed to be in the middle of
It's
the
gonna
chest.
be smiling.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, you probably gotta adjust your straps down.
Yeah.
You haven't been a bra in a while.
Try not to manhandle.
He likes it, don't worry about it.
Let's take a spin around, let's make sure we got everything.
Take a picture of it.
Dopey drugs. This is.
We're ready to toss them or what?
Take a look at the back strap. That's so that if he is hanging, okay, he's got the weight of his body on that, on the butt. Very good. Well, yeah, now I don't want to just, they're twisted in the back. So
Gerard, jump
Go for it.
Fix it up. Gerard, jump up and down. Up and down. I don't want to grab anything. Just twist it.
We know what this is supposed to look like.
You should have, what's his name in there? Yanni?
Sometimes
We should have Yanni do that when he's changing
show them
his
how to
hands.
fit 4 fingers in the rope. Too loose.
Too much.
Too loose. Tighten them up one more. Take it easy. All right.
Much better.
Lopsided.
Yeah, let's hang up something.
I see a cable coming into this room. Not the screen, right to the screen.
Open the window.
Guys, I'm jumping.
They got the thing for the window. Just see if you jump. Get the bungee on.
All right?
These don't, they don't lock.
Yeah, just make it. What, this one?
Right here. Pull that up, put it right in there.
This is lopsided, guys, 3 on one side, 4 on the
All
other.
right? Do the other one too?
What?
After a while, you get so comfortable wearing this around your home, your bedroom slippers, you're all set.
In the shower. In the shower.
Lanyard closest to the body. You're gonna hook them up.
You're like a big baby, start running around the room.
All right, just turn around so these guys can look at it. One more time. Just do a little spin Gerard there, okay? Now, when he does fall, notice if this starts coming up too high around here, and it probably will, it's gonna hurt a lot down there. The thing is, you don't want it too low or too high, because if it's too big, the other one, he would have fell out of it. So that would have defeated that.
Yeah, like you're really gonna go far now.
So you're not as large as you thought you were. Whatever. You feel better now, right? All right.